slide.
The coordinate geometry plotter was introduced by the famous French mathematician René Pascal. The coordinate geometry plotter is a simple working model used to plot points on the Cartesian plane using their coordinates. It explains how coordinate geometry works by showing the exact position of points. It shows that it is quadrant
it is a
2.
quadrant. Okay. Like this, if I touch this one, 1, 2.
Quadrant 1.
Quadrant.
It is 2.
If I touch minus 3.
This quadrant.
5. Brilliant. Excellent one. Connectivity. You made a lot of work. Thank you. Very nice guy.
The Cartesian plane is a flat surface used to locate points using two number lines. The horizontal line is called the x-axis and the vertical line is called the y-axis. The point where both lines intersect is called the origin 0, 0. The x and y axis divide the Cartesian plane into four quadrants. Quadrants 1, x is positive, y is positive. Quadrants 2, x is negative, y is positive. Quadrants 3, x is negative, y is negative.
Mathematics is not only used for solving sums, it helps us understand logic, chance and smart decision making. In our project, we learn about Monty Hall three-door dilemma which looks simpler and a famous probability sum that gives surprising results.
Three-door dilemma. We used to show that in Lazar too. 1 by 3.
Now
Correct?
door 1 is choose, sir. So that door 2 opens.
Opens.
Now when you choose door 3,
Hmm.
I have said switch. So that door 3 opens.
Our life is all about three-door dilemma. our life partner, our parents, our children.
If you want to stay in door 1, if you click stay, door 1 stays and your price is
Brilliant analysis. Great guys. Very nice. Thank you very much. Very nice.
The Monty Hall problem has 3 doors. Behind one door is a prize and behind other 2 doors are no prize. You choose one door first and then we open one of the remaining doors that does not have the prize.
Very good, very good. This is behind the door, other 2 doors are closed. Okay. Other 2 doors, this one,
These 2 doors.
These doors,
This
that's
shows
important.
the
Okay. And then the
explanation.
last 2 doors is opens one. What she said, somebody else.
Why is it so surprising? At first it may look like the last two doors have equal chances. So many people think it's 50-50. But in reality we already know where the prize door is, thus we never open the prize door.
Well done. Lot of work has been done. Good. Next. Yeah.
Math Casino and Math Escape Challenge are based on the concepts of probability, problem solving, logical reasoning and mental maths.
How to play rules. No negative thoughts. Yes, next one.
Real Casino depends on luck, but Max Casino is all about solving and analyzing. This game improves speed, calculation, probability and decision making skills.
In Max Escape Challenge, the player solves puzzle 1, then opens the clue box and picks a chit. The chit tells the topic for next question such as arithmetic, algebra, geometry, etc.
And then puzzle 3 like this, move on. 6 steps, yes.
A true cosmic scale model shrinks both physical size and orbital distance by the exact same ratio.
The sun shrinks to a 24 cm basketball and a 2.2 mm peppercorn.
The orbital distance of sun is approximately 0.53 degree. The true distance is 107 times longer than it. On busy networks, engineers use probability and kinematic equations to calculate braking curves, preventing train collisions.
Engineers use resonant frequency to design the traction wheels so vibrations don't occur.
No, vibration should not be there, so they prevent that.
Computers treat the entire Everwin network like a giant maze, constantly tracking every train's exact coordinate. If two trains accidentally get put on collision course, system uses the path and finding maps to
Flashing, collision. Yes.
All about smart parking system using mathematics. Drivers often waste their time searching for an empty parking space. Our model solves this problem by identifying available parking slots and guiding them to the nearest one.
Good.
And Arduino process the information by indicating the nearest parking space using LED or displays. This reduces traffic in parking space, saves time and uses
It's a
mathematics.
professional approach. Our teachers are not parking properly. I have to make it smart park.
This is based on distance calculation and other mathematical optimization. Our model uses IR sensor to detect whether a particular parking slot is occupied or not. This shows us that mathematical operation can help us in day-to-day life and makes transportation way more easier.
Ever wonder why skyscraper look the way they do? It's all about architects. Architects choose them for survival. 3D shapes. Cylindrical buildings stop strong wind gusts and stop tall towers from swaying, while rectangular prisms maximize the indoor floor spacing. At the very top, we have pyramids which give their ultimate stability to the narrow peaks and wider bases. Next time you look at an architect, you're just looking at a person, you're looking at a living geometry textbook.
So at the top is stable and safe. Any tall structure, the mathematics helps.
Yes.
Okay.
Eiffel Tower, the lattice structure. It is made of interlocking metal triangles because triangles do not deform under pressure. This open lattice is designed like strong wind blow against right through the tower rather than pushing against it.
The dramatic taper. The base is wide and stable up to 14.7 meters in diameter, narrowing down to just 2.3 meters at the very top. This lowers the center of gravity, helping it to survive over 800 years.
And there was no electricity, no machines, no current operated machine. Still they could do it.
In many cities, traffic lights change after fixed time, even when the road has a very few number of vehicles. This causes unnecessary waiting and also traffic jams.
Our model solves this problem by using mathematics and customization. It counts number of vehicles in each road and gives priority to the road with highest traffic.
Priority in the sense maybe there may be some signals which will stop and see. Okay.
The controller compares the number of vehicles mathematically and automatically changes the traffic lights. This reduces waiting time, saves fuel, and improves the traffic flow.
Football is not about just kicking ball. Mathematics is used in every matches. Players and coaches use maths to calculate speed, distance, time, and angle. This model shows a different angles like 30 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree, and this is how players use maths to calculate.
This is the projectile motion of a football. When football is kicked, it follows a curved path called a parabola, which is a mathematical curve. Players use these while taking long passes, free kicks, and corner kicks.
Each place person is represented using coordinates like A2, 3 and B6. So that's why coaches use coordinate geometry to analyze players' position, measure this, and to plan better strategies during a match.
Penalty shootout also.
This model is about penalty shootout. Probability is equal to number of goals divided by the total shootout.
shots.
This helps coaches to analyze teams' performance and success rate.
Possible.
In conclusion, mathematics is used everywhere in football, from angles, curves, coordinates, probability. This helps coaches, players, and referees to make better decisions.
Plan well.
Pascal triangle is a triangle arrangement of numbers named after Blaise Pascal. It starts with 1. Every row begins and ends with 1 and the middle of the formed by adding 2 numbers as they upward. This simple rule creates many interesting mathematical patterns.
Pascal's triangle contains many patterns. It is symmetrical, meaning both sides are mirror images. The sum of each row gives the powers of 2. The second diagonal gives the natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The third diagonal gives the triangle numbers 1, 3, 6, 10 and 15. And by adding certain diagonals, we get the Fibonacci sequence 1, 1, 2, 3, 5 and 8.
Brilliant.
Pascal triangle is used in algebra, combination, probability, and in computer science. Our model explains these formulas in a simple way, showing us how one simple mathematical rule can lead to powerful application.
Anybody else here? Yes.
This is not just a form. It is a superficial form based on mathematics. Let us see about mirror symmetry. It is also called as reflection or line symmetry. The opposite the half of an object is the exact mirror image of the other half. Let us dive into the Pythagoras theorem and the periodical motion. Periodical motion is any type of motion that repeats itself. Pythagoras theorem states any right angle of a triangle a square plus b square equal to the c square.
Let us explore about diagram. A diagram is a traditional sound based on mathematical significance in geometry, practical reasoning, and area decomposition. It consists of 5 triangles, a parallelogram, and a square.
Today we are going to show you the brachistochrone and curve. The word brachistochrone comes from Greek. Brachus means shorter, curve means time. So literally means a path of shortest time covered by the gravity.
So let us see now which balls comes first.
Which came first, I didn't notice. The last one, the middle.
Many of them think the straight line wins, but it is always the cycloid. Now let us see what is this shape. This shape is an inverted cycloid. It is faster than the straight line because it comes from the early acceleration where the straight line has a constant slope which makes the ball move slowly at the
So
beginning.
in ordinary, we will think that it's the shortest route.
Yeah. The steep,
Normally, but it comes.
yeah. The steep drop uses gravity dribble maximum heat instant.
This pushes fast.
Yeah.
The fast one, the faster it comes and it pushes fast.
So to sum it all up, a straight line gives you the shortest line in space, while the cycloid curve gives you the shortest path.
Finally, that is the lesson.
Pythagoras theorem is one of the most important theorem in mathematics and used to find the unknown side of the right angle triangle. Pythagoras theorem states on right angle triangle the squares of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides. It is represented by the formula a square plus b square equals c square where c is an hypotenuse.
Pythagoras theorem is one of the most useful concepts in mathematics. It helps us to solve right angle triangle problems and has many practical applications. This theorem shows that mathematics is useful in our everyday lives.
Super. That's a practical application you said. No, that's why we are building bridges like in different shape. In China, you can see different shaped buildings. I think this formula is good. That's all. Right. Well done, children. Very nice.